My dad wrote this song for me.
And I believe some songs are not made only out of words. They come from everything a family never knew how to say. Because when you are a child, you do not always understand the love behind the rules. You do not understand the worry behind the silence. You do not understand the tired eyes, the long days, the sacrifices nobody saw, or the prayers nobody heard. You feel what you feel. And sometimes as a child, all you can see is what hurt. But then life grows you from the inside, and little by little, you start reading the story differently. You realize some parents loved with the tools they had, not perfectly, not always gently, not always in the way your heart needed. But many times they were trying to protect you from a pain they had already known. My mother gave her life to caring for children through medicine. My father gave his life to teaching and helping people grow. And somehow I grew up between those two worlds, the body and the mind, faith and family, pain and purpose. So this song is not only about my dad. It is about every parent who carried more than they said, every child who understood late, and every family still trying to find the road back to love. Like a father waiting in silence, watching the road as the sun went down, not counting the wounds or the rejection, only hoping his child would come back around. With open arms and an unbroken spirit, not asking why you lost your way, because the love of a real father speaks louder than the pain. That is how I walk beside your life, even when you do not understand. Because being a father is not about me, it is about helping you become who you can. And even if I have to give my whole life, like Abraham, willing to obey, or fight for you like Jacob, for the family he wanted to protect. I do not ask for gold or greatness, or for the world to know my name. I only want to see your dreams bloom, and for you to never lose your faith. Today I understand, I did not start from nothing. I come from a mother who cared for lives and a father who formed minds. Maybe my purpose was born there, to heal, to teach, and to help others feel understood. Like Joseph watching over his family, when hunger covered the land, a father carries hope on his shoulders and provision in his hands. And even when exhaustion breaks his strength, even when there's barely enough bread, a father learns to keep standing just to see his children win. He gives us strength, His time and His wisdom, without asking for anything in return. And if at the end of every road I get to see you whole and happy, then I will know every effort was worth it all for you. Dad, this song came from you, but it also helped me understand myself. What you planted as a teacher, I want to turn into a bridge between science and faith, between the mind and the heart, between pain and meaning. And maybe that is what healing is. Not pretending the story was perfect, but learning to see the love, the wounds, the effort, and the purpose inside the same story.